come to the normal language called the pidgin speaking one. The pidgin speaking one. Foolish idiot them caricature. Foolish idiot them caricature. Ma call na caricature. Because you are joking with the life of my own people. You are joking with your lives. And you think it's going to be easy for you. Because at the time you think I said to be black legs. I'm a black leg. I'm a black leg. Look at what's going on in our place. Because those them people, the way they think say they be intellectual them. The people where they think say they be intellectual. Then if she don't look for mirror, look yourself for mirror. All what you wanna feel, now for take that una intellectual sense, down a dirty sense, can put that for table for fool una people them. Okay. Make them mommy we get picking, where the fight for Ambazonian struggle. Make can see mayor, say my picking the high for you and I go kill it. Una get the sense, una get the knowledge how to do things because you get some more affinity with the Enoni, you get some more affinity with the Atanganji, you get some more affinity with the Prime Minister. Where you go blind for you, make can fool, make can say you're picking them, make kill them because you love those people past your children. Una not enter una be black leg. Una be black leg no. Una want stop the revolution. Una okay. Una don't go pay. Una don't go pay. Nambere. Una go pay nambere. Make can stop the revolution because he pass una for stop her from the root. He pass una for stop her from where he have to stop. Idiot. Idiot. Killing my own people. And you say Willie de Paris have to stand with the government. Have to stand with the government. You are calling me every day to blindfold me that what you are doing, what Willie de Paris is doing is not good. I have to stand with the government. Supporting the government and forgetting my own brothers the way they die every day. So when they will say they want to protect the Okan land, who don't ask them to protect the land? If you don't get the courage to protect a land, no say people then deal with that land, it means a lot to them. It means a lot to them, to their dead life. You did America, you did Britain, you did Cameroon, you did Washington, you did London. Ya mommy pima. She be black leg. Look am, make her tell una. Now never know. Una go fit talk say people that they diaspora, they fool people there for ground zero. Me, make a fit talk say, may I tell you something? May I tell you something? You're gonna listen to me very well. I be very sorry for the military the way they did die for that country. Because that military them, they feel be my brother them. Because I get my brother inside military. I get my brother inside military. Okay? I get my brother inside military, inside police, inside gender, inside everything. I get my brother inside. I get my brother inside. Je suis vraiment désolé pour tous ces enfants qui ont donné les âmes, qui meurent pour rien pour Paul Biya. But make a tell una some story, make una understand me very better. Not go change my mind for support this guy the way they die for this land. Not go support me. Nothing. No, look at make a nothing. Me man no fool now. Say one day I go stop even at 2 seconds. You don't get called for fight. We'll get people that they say they get intellectual for their sense. Una own sense una get them. Now if I can't tell una power and say make they go show play Amber Boys and they can't kill them. Make the revolution finish. Now the revolution not be like for level bomb. For plant bomb there everywhere. When they go plant there everywhere, how una go do tomorrow? How una go do tomorrow? Because we never come together as one. We if you can sit down together to get look, I wanna share this video. When I not share the video, I go vex very badly. Forget about what I talk. Look at if I not share the video, I go vex with them very mercilessly. Idiots. On a fait ça nonsense. On a fait ça dans un way. On a fait ça because any toxins. On a fait ça because me any toxins. On a fait ça because I don't tire for talk. I nothing ever tire for talk about people the way they did die. About that. I feel the pain. I get the pain right up in my body, right up in my soul. I feel the pain. When I feel the pain, we no life for see Southwest and always be a better place to be. We no life for see the people that rejoice and live their life as they have to live their life. Prime Minister, we are not going to pay number. We not come again pay people that they can make form group say they be black legs for betray another community. Any group where they want paste and Bazonia this thing, the rocker for under paste another video for sure say no, this video na bad na these boys are doing bad. We don't even go take video for Nigeria guys where they don't go beat some girl, come accuse the guys them. How can you be against your own people in this manner? If you don't share the video, I go vex with you now. Look, I go tell you, I say the vex go enter minister body. Now the craze on a bel air. When I watch a video for some boys them, when I listen to the language of that boys them, the language of that boys and Nigerian guys them, but when one can take them, attribute them for the umbrella them. For the fact say you want to say you overlike the government of Cameroon, say the government of Cameroon get right for come key what picking them, but whoa no get right for talk. Look at this fools talking. Look at this idiots talking. You think I'm that kind of look? I'm that kind of artist. Well, I can beg that for respect Atanganji. For say Atanganji make me a better man. You decrease your hate. I'm more than Atanganji. I'm more than Atanganji 157 times. For those who don't know me, okay? What you want to be for this world today? Now only mine don't know me if you ask for different people them. I'll be model for the one. I'll be model. Look, I've been model for all petty people that they do showbiz for Cameroon. All the one that they sing. They sing that mommy people say they sing. Look, now me I be papa. I be papa. If you don't know, look, if you don't know, go ask them. As from today, I be papa. Yes. They call me for here every day. They call me for here every day for my phone. I got to be against the boys. Whose boys them? That guy is where they die for my freedom. That guy is the way they die for that place because they want to protect that land. We don't want to be against them. We don't crazy on that. They don't look at. They don't punish enough for that sense. We don't get problem for that medulla. We don't sense get small problem inside. Government be unable. Now for can take a mommy. We don't go keep people. We don't go keep the boys that they fight. Their papa they know. Their papa they get to do with it. Man born picking born in heart. Man born picking born in heart. So the mommy way born Ayabacho, the mommy way he born Dr. Sako, the mommy way born all those people them. We not get to go kill them. Now they make them. Now that mommy they make them that picking them. Come to now and they read the story of Cameroon. I understand say Southern Cameroon was not a part of Cameroon. So the people they go can't turn up, talk say Pope not ever declare war for Southern Cameroon. Because today, they don't can give una small money, grandma money, una chop, una forget about what they happen for the land. Una not crazy, una hate. So to some African talk about the party anyhow. You the crazy or your mommy pima. Look, I tell you, your mommy is last cement don't cross my bank chan. Look, I wanna share this video. If you don't share this video, I will stop and saying now so. Because I stay. One email life because me I not be used to. I don't bring my level right down. Forget about people that listen to me. But I know say after I be inside that kind of 10,000, 12,000, 24,000 viewers. But it be unable. So when I do on live, we now that I do on live, I never share my video. Why I never share my video? Because I want everybody really listen to me. When I find someone if it die for the cause of people, people are dying every day. It's not because of you that I'm going to live forever. It's not because of look. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All the guys who are fighting. At the talk and start looking and say, you have my support. 110,000%. I don't get that courage for fight, but I get to give you my courage. I get to give una my courage because you need to be it. You need to do it. We don't suffer. Man coming from far. Man coming from far. Yes. And Mayor, Papa Mayor come. Papa Mayor come. My pikin, that my pikin what I be tell you. He dey for inside bush or he dey hide for you, go kill him. Because you want like the government pass your pikin. You are stupid. Look at this government. You are stupid. You are foolish. You are caricatures. You are dumb. That is why you don't even know mathematics 1 plus 2. 1 plus 1. You don't even know common mathematics. How to arrange problem. Who tell you say some mommy go sell a pikin? Who tell you say some mommy fit sell a pikin? Who lie you one day say a woman will go and sell his children to just because an old man like Paul Biya will stay in that power and betray our living in this earth after he's already on the end of the boat to go sell your pikin. My pikin there for you, mayor. Now you be mayor for you no? Yes. My pikin the high for you, go kill him. Idiot. Mami, idiot. Fool. I need to fight again. It be normal for any petit frère where no one give you life again. It surrender. You go, she don't quiet. Cover your toilet. When something don't pass you, she don't look people, then do them. Because they don't give una 20,000. Una fish on the market for the revolution. Look, play where we don't come out from 2000 from 2016. We are in 2021. Boys, they don't learn how to make bomb. Maybe na war for maybe na normal war again. Boy, they don't learn how to manufacture bomb. Police them, gendarme, they don't die. For Semoku, she done. Make everybody. Those one the way they don't like the revolution. The one the way they like the revolution. The one the way they hate the revolution. The one the way they inside the revolution. Look, my brother, I tell you, we're going to sit down. Talk about our land. First, make we understand ourselves. Make we give our heart for this one land. Now the only thing the way God don't give for we feel protect her as we dey alive again. So lucky we will get picking the way they feel fight for our goal. So lucky we will get brother them. Me I need be fit. Make I no lie una. Me I need be fit for my life. Carry gun. I don't like rubber gun. I not from since was small. I don't like rubber gun. I need be fit. Look, if I not share this video, I go stop her now. I want to see the number of share for this video. I get plenty for talk. If I not share, because when I say now time I don't come for meet my own brother, my own English brother for talk. With all my views, they don't go down. Nobody. People they look me now. But when you decide, you have decided for your life. You are not doing something for the people. There is things that you can do for people. And there is things that you can give your life to. I've given my life for this revolution. Una wanna feel say for come for that Cameroon, I might die. Day where I go enter that Cameroon, I go die for una. People don't die now, my brother. People don't die now. Would it be alive? Would it be alive, part General Ivo? You just need to be like alive. Whose kind of man who go turn out to General Ivo die for a good cause? He died to save Ambazonian land. That guy died for that land. You like you take it or not. That was what is going to happen. Now, brother, what on if she done? Look what said for Miro. Mo could take good decision them for this land. Picking that they die every day. Innocent souls that they go. It be normal. It be normal. Because an idiot. An idiot. Say President of the Republic. You go give your life for Paul Biya. Look at age and look at age. He be who? He be which kind of dog in him? Me I feel respect Paul Biya again. For which kind of dog is safe? Which kind of caricature? go make me respect an old man and forget about my age. What I have to do in this age is to give the best of what I can give so that the generation coming before me should have a better future. That is what I can do. That is what I can do. And it happened that I'm doing it in the best way. Okay? I've lost so many things by doing this. But those things, they were not lost them. Maybe I didn't make my life. Okay? I feel change to that, maybe artist again. I feel change to that, go keep doing my gardenage, get my small money, feed my family them. Make them feel better. Make them get a better future. So I asked some man after yesterday, say, what will be better future? Because some man come yesterday, he no give a number, he no give identity. He no even tell me who he did. But he tell me, say, we the Paris, you need to have a better future. I asked the man, say, what is a better future? Tell me what means to have a better future. Now, for Kantana for here, they crush my brother, so you have to die. You have to do this. Now, for that, I'll get better future. Which kind of future could be inside? When I for she don't quiet, man, not talk again. When I for say, make her she don't silent. I don't want to say again. Now, for that, I'll get better future. Idiots them. Fools. You go meet us small people, you can't talk about the party. If you talk about the party, look at me very well. Look at my brother. My own suffer, I don't say for this world. No human being no ever see that kind of suffer. Me, I don't suffer, my brother. I don't suffer. Before one she don't so I feel chop, wait till I decide for chop one day. Before one she don't so I feel decide say, if I want to build this kind of building, I feel build them today. I don't do my best. Okay? I don't do my best. Because I don't fight them. I don't fight them. But you, when you don't take your life, because Prime Minister don't give you small power, say make you handle them. You don't tell you, say, no, leave me. I will show the people them. You don't take yourself be black leg. You don't decide, say, you need fight again. Why if you don't quiet, cover your mouth? You don't talk. Nambere don't pay Nambere. Nambere don't finish the war. No. Me, I support all my if you give you effort. For say make we have a better land. Okay? We could have a better land. May nobody not even carry rubber gun again. I'll be very aware of it. But today, we don't reach. It is a show we say we have to sit and talk. We have to sit and talk. We are ashamed for talking. Say we get to shit down talk. Cameroon government go shit down. Talk to people them. When one can bring we say we have the fathers of the land. Who are the fathers of the land? Now Frundi be the father of the land. Frundi will betray all Cameroonians them. Now he be the father of the land. What you know 10 man? Wait till now 10 man no could listen. Say you fit go sell your own brother. May they kill you because he carry gun. Look, I make a tell you something. Those guys that they fight for their they fight for their life. Because all they leave the gun, they don't leave the gun, some of them go die. Some of them get to die if they leave them or they don't leave them. No mind say they live now bury alive. No mind say they live now bury alive. Because they need a proof to prove to people that these people can be alive. But when all of them will not put their gun down, some of them have to be killed. They don't will leave all of them alive. Now the craze. Now know me. Una stop the call my number. Make man not call my number again. Una wait me. Una when I say I come Cameroon, I'll lock me. Una put me for prison. I'll do my country. I'll kill me. Una wait me. The easier way for kill me, now for poison me, make I die one time. I've done my best. I don't fear die, my brother. Who fear die? Who no go die? Who no go die? May the man tell me. May the Pope tell me say no go die. Who say if they safe? Who say if they? Some country where president they never see president. Una there for Southwest and Northwest. Una never see president. You the mayor of Widikum, the mayor of Kumba, the mayor of Boya, the mayor of Limbe. Who votes you like mayor? Idiot. Your mommy in Dumkas remember bonke chang inside. You the crazy your mommy people. Time never ready for your life. Look, when time go reach, you go no say boys were born to protect their homeland. Idiot. Oh boy them, my boys them, and also that they feel bad inside forest. But una decision I don't take I give una cafe. Me I respect the decision. Man way not like I may go buy a blockade and granite. I go pay the bill. You know, dear. I respect una. Look me. I die with my family. Yes, I better die like a hero than to die like a zero. You crazy your mom, you crazy your hate. Who be you? For can't tell me, for come for phone. Tell me say we the party, not talk again, not do this. You know say boy will like you plenty. When you talk so your life, think about your life. Whose life? If that is the price to pay, let that should be the price to pay. Idiots. You think you can fight somebody like me? Look at my age. Una fist again at 39 years. Una fist again at 40 years. Una fist again at 41 years. Una fist again at 45 years. Una for 43 years. Now the craze on hate. Not because see my face fine so. You feel say na young boy be this. You will call me young boy, don't craze your hate. Idiot. Wait till the past week for she done down. Call everybody for one table. We could talk about what did happen for our life. 5 years today, our life not be correct. But people they don't come down and make that meeting. Say maybe they will create a group for straight another English people them. Maybe they call another Anglophonian them for say no, nobody mandated you to come and fight for me. Somebody mandated the president of France to fight for this republic. Nobody be mandated. When it be for England. When it be England, nobody be mandated for fight. Okay? Front, they don't do their best. They don't do their best. They enter inside corruption. You know waka. I don't make the shit done quiet. Make the shit done quiet. Make the lock jam up. When the new generation is standing up, we have to be with them to support them, to give them our power. When the revolution started, everybody was up. Your father, your mother, your uncles, your aunties, everybody was up. But when you were up at that time, you were thinking that the revolution is going to take 1 day, 2 days. When they come with my trip in Boya, by then I was not talking, I was looking at what is happening. I know that is the beginning of everything. Because when money is concerned, that is where problems start. When they talk about $1 million, I know the real problem don't start for that point. See my face fine. God born me correct. Look me fine. Look me. When I talk, look me correct. God born me. God no make mistake for create me. God born me with everything. If in me, I be fit enough for year, because talk about good about the government, support everything. I not get no problem. They go my Cameroon, do my show, then do everything for everything better. Look at here with the party, you never ask me to help you. If in me, I want me to help me for you, help me. You never cost me say, I never make and pull the people and people when they contribute. If I want me to help me for you, help me, idiot, fools. And they call me for phone, they complain. You call me for my phone, you do complain, you do cost me. Say I don't take a bad decision for my life because they support boys they do atrocities. You don't curse your hate. Look yourself fine for mirror. Look myself fine for mirror. I be tell Padia Sanga. I be tell Padia Sanga for phone. Say if you want to compare with me, bring your picking them up, bring my own, them put them for down. Moko look who they get sense for this world. I educate my children very well. I be tell Padia Sanga. Now the shame. Say tomorrow when I go waka, they go respect by. They go respect people the way they don't fight for the revolution. They don't go respect you now. But because you don't get the call for fight. Who's English Cameroon? Fit talk say Innova waka inside torment for French Cameroon for this our land. Who's Bamenda Pekin go talk say Innova be treat badly inside Bamenda with the French Cameroon kind way of treating people. Moko be true. Moko talk true about true. When they go beat what picking there for Boya. Now na she done. The talk say, look, I wanna share this video. I tell you now. If I look this share for this video, I know say 150 people and I know say 500 share. 500 share. I just stop the video. I don't look at. I don't get time to spend on you now. I fuck about everybody. Look, you were listening me here. No, say this is the king talking. They will come fool petit frère they sing yesterday. May they go do concert. Make people then come for so say everything they work for Kumba. They will come full picking there, they sing yesterday for finish their career. When I want to talk, they say Willie Paris jealous of them. Jealous of who? Whose Cameroonian artist reach me? Willie Paris. Whose Cameroonian artist fit talk on my corner when I stand to talk? When I tell me one name, from the biggest to the down, make it. When I tell me one name, nobody. All they fear me. Come for France. Come for France here. You ask about Willie Paris, they will tell you. Nobody can stand in front of me and talk. I was born by my dear mother fireside. If you don't know. Stupid caricature them. Una share this video, they tell una. If I load the video, not the 500 share, I stop the video. Again, at 1 hour with una for tell una on a truth on in front so make una listen the truth bitterly. Make una know the only thing you get to do. I go talk. So the only thing I go advise me to do. Now for stand. Understand? Now for stand. You feel saying that the Boabet, they don't like the future of Cameroon. So you feel say now the people that they fight, they don't like to live better life. But no say some cause they for the well where you look at some man they for the well. Where if he key, but you in if he key. But how we in if he key? No believe people man if he key. Now I'm already above 40 and I know what is life today. What you cannot do, another man can do. My brother, make a tell una. Una don't go take food for big black leg. Now better they go take money for betray the fighters. Now better don't finish the struggle. No. The struggle don't come from square one, it's for square two. Una know what it means? Say guys they don't develop their medulla, they don't dedicate na bomb them. Una know what it mean? My brother, una the joke. I said una the joke with this thing where happen for Alane. Una know what it mean? Me anyman men 10 share. 100 people make 10 share. I want to see 10 share. Before I want to start. Because tomorrow I will put my number. For you, I want to call, make it call. Because people they fear. Me, I'm not gonna fear again. Even if I go to Cameroon, they kill me one time. Perical and Ivo, they don't die, they became my age. They die for we, my brother. They die for we. But if a turn up talks, I can die for this land, he die for the land. So more idiot like you way, because you don't drink Gary, whatever for an arrow. You feel say you don't reach for land. You can talk about life. What is life? There is no life in this world, let me just tell you. There is no life in this world. Who be no say Corona or can make all much she done for house. Even the normal people they get million them, they should done for house. 2 years of prison. Because you want a prison there for Europe. You want a prison there for Europe. This one a prison for Europe. 2 years. Who they inside house? Who they live a better life? Who don't come out? Who don't do it? Who don't do it for this world? God they show a sign. We pobia go and talk say, je vous ai dit que les enfants doivent déposer les armes. Yam look up. And if it cost my mommy, no, and if it cost my mommy. The man who have get problem with Napobia, il m'a mis un effet coché. Il pique un effet coché. Il brother, no. Je ne suis pas les enfants des gens, la maman des gens, non. J'ai un problème. I got problem now, Pobia. I got problem with that man where he decide for destroy my region, burn my village. You don't say they burn my village, no? I don't post my village where they burn, no. I never see him. I put him again when I see him. Don't I feel na joke my job for you. They burn my village. Me, they burn my village. Banga Bakundu. I mandate nobody to go and burn my village. Nobody. I'm showing the video. Nobody get the right to burn my village. Let me tell you if you don't know. Ask my name again, may they tell now. I'm called the son of Tanjo Moses. Idiot. And small time, I can't go mad. Because I will be mad small time. When I go no say, the pain where all that mommy then get the inside saddles and all those, the pain where I get them, I go small time, I go manufacture the pain. Small time for the Europe, I go manufacture the pain. I go be in a way to where nobody no go life for see for this world. All of you talking against, but against my people who are dying. You will be afraid of me in a few months to come. When I will decide, say, why must you not go make me fear again? You will understand. So when we turn on the TV for up, people in there for down, they feel them. Foolish caricature them. Make a show now my village where they burn them. Who give that government the right to burn my village? Man, see how many shares. Now only 163 shares. People don't share the video. When I did 200, if any man made 10 shares for the 200 people, we not go reach 5,000 shares. Why be so when I make life? When I make people look me, they say my life they listen now. When I question it, when I get to share the video. When I get to share the video, I tell you now. Now my village they burn them. Now my village that they burn them.
The village of Banga Bakundi is all on fire. The village of Banga Bakundi is on fire. Look at what the Republic people are doing to our citizens. We are dying, so we are asking for foreign intervention. Sir, this, with all due respect, you people should look at what we are passing through. We are on fire. All of our properties, both mothers and fathers, they have died inside the house. Look at what the Republic people are doing. Look at what the Republic people. This is the village of Banga.
Now my village that they burn them. That place where they put fire so. That place they put fire so. Mommy Benny Ground they. They burn Mommy Benny Ground. Now it crazy on a hit. Now look at come I tell you something there. Make I tell you something. Look at my one poison me now. Make I tell you one time the strategy for poison me. I go get concert them small time all over Europe. I go travel everywhere make concert them. You can trap me there and poison me. But I'm coming for you. Okay? I'm coming for you. Trap me there and poison me there. If you want, look, I'm a dead corpse. If you don't know, can't put fire for Mommy Benny Ground. You crazy or you hate? I don't say me man not coming for phone. I'm alive. Now need share this video. Because I shame for share the video. Now the shame. See how they burn my village. See how they burn my village. You see how they burn my village? You never see them? They burn my village.
It's all on fire. The village of Banga Bakuli is on fire. Look at what the Republic people are doing to our citizens. We are dying, so we are asking for foreign intervention. Sir, this, with all due respect, you people should look at what we are passing through. We are on fire. All of our properties, both mothers and fathers, they have died inside the house.
Now the craze. People they can burn my village. And they can tell me, say, make I love those people because one betray boys them. Look, my boys them. I give them a country. When I get 100 cafe for my line, for my hand. It happened saying that because I did Europe. It happened saying that because I did Europe. People there they know me, they know stuff. I don't carry that rengengeng. I for don't carry and since wait to be diamond, my brother. I don't give a strategy for poisoning me. You can come and poison me everywhere I will be. They will invite me. I will be in your town, in your place. You can come and poison me there. You can come and kill me there if you want to kill me. I don't have a damn to give to those who want to kill me. When there is time to die, we have to die. And now there is time for any English Cameroonian to die. I'm ready to die, my brother. Maybe you think it's a joke. I'm not fear. What to be life again, my brother? What to man see for this world, my brother? Idiot them. Say make mommy they go shop they are picking they hide me, they can kill them. Because you love Cameroon. Cameroon my foot. Cameroon my beat. Cameroon my last. Idiot. Cameroon my foot. You love Cameroon. They begin to protect and they begin to know when not play they hide. Idiot. Idiot. Foolish caricatures. Make you go show play they begin to hide. For say make you show say you like Cameroon. Make you go show play they hide. Any man will consider himself to be a black leg. Even to be friendship with those people, you have to be run away from them. Any human being will be born for this world, call himself black leg, than to be a black leg. Abida, she don't want not talk me no one day. Want not talk me no one day. Made them know say I didn't talk to me. I didn't talk me again. Than for 10% be black. You know what it means to me? You be black leg. For normal language, black leg. My brothers, we are going to be very careful with this world. Now got to be very careful for this world. They only respect with this speaking they fight, they ask them for now. Now for respect what they do for our land. For just give them a little love. For give them a little respect. For some they know say they not be alone. They fight for something good and wait for the support. Una be common in that days in number. Where are you now? Because they don't go corrupt some few of una. Make una get 10 francs for an account. Now they can take any full boys them, full people them, full mommy them. May they follow una. Who tell una say that mommy they feel like una pass their picking them? Who tell una say we need the Paris? Feel support that government, pass it brother them. I better to die with my own brothers and sisters. Those who are fighting for that land, I will die with them. I will die with them. No matter whose price I can pay for it, I die for the price. And let me die for it. So that when I die, the day I will go, it will be well. That a son has given his life for his people. And that will be really the Paris. For those who love me, do not go invite me for una show them. The one they don't like me, do not go ever invite me for their show. If like I do what you want to do, do not go invite me again. Una, you understand what I tell una? Love never be a force, my brother. Love never be a force. Love never be a force. Small time, things that they can't open for Europe. Everybody go open, they will open every place. Then you will see where the Paris appear again. And I will be there. I'm the best artist. Look, I need to know because of the M word of my mop. French, English. French, English, Cameroon. I'm the best artist so far. If you doubt them, call people, they may they tell you. No, if it's number 2 day, na photocopy. I'm the best artist so far in Europe. They don't come plenty for you, they don't turn back now, my brother. They don't come plenty for you, shit for their drugs, turn back. It be easy. Can't compare with the party. You go no say you don't meet on a fire for you in front. I'm the fire. I'm the fire. I'm the fire. I don't talk for 30 minutes. I dey put my number now. My one call make you call. My one call make you call more could talk. I not get no damn forgive for nobody. 00 39 35 10 86 4 no 57 is 57 47. That is my number. You can call on WhatsApp. Only on WhatsApp. Yes, my brother call. Yes. Hello.
Will you be Paris?
Yes, Papa. Nami this.
Yeah,
no, Papa.
my brother. Just say hi to you, and we see concern with the show. What we love the Republic to do. We just trying to say you try for the motivate our boys them because easy.
That guys they need to be support. Moku leave it in them say people they can't tell we say Moku get to look make a tell una wanna listen for you today. That guys they need to be support. Now we're picking them, now we brought them. Now I brought them. They not, look at they get to we get to show them the better side of it because tomorrow, if it tomorrow they can't accept say may they can make that country be fine. Now for sake of that boys them. Even today, even French Cameroon won't be fine. Now for sake of that boys them, they get big respect. We get to respect them.
I know they only the find for French Cameroon.
They understand you. I tell you say. Yeah, I understand you.
If French Cameroon no say they feel fight on their own, may they hold gun. If they don't feel hold gun, they need to see what will happen for chat. If they don't feel hold gun, then they stay away. They know if he says Southern Cameroon go fight for their own independence for come up away from France.
No, you get the word, my
you
brother.
understand? Yeah, because it is so. French Cameroon, they didn't for the chop me under with burning fish. They need to know how the future will be. Picking the big, remember your papa house, it talk as now he was share property with papa they are alive for the papa. And which really happens, say we Southern Cameroon not ever believe on go against our will of our father. If your papa know that you need to think of having the property. And your papa as well, your papa used to talk say
5 year old not look the property we are wrong make up for myself. And now why we see we Saudi Cameroon when one be 18, one be 16, 17 years old, we start know what to be good and bad. For talk say more be us start for build own life on ourselves.
That is it.
You know, what really happened for these French people them, they call and say chop broke pot. But what they say chop broke pot, they be facing a play. They be the chop forget about tomorrow. They need to remember how they feel build up the future. Now why will you see if you ask all those ministers if you did talk say which way they do, they not get anything they build for future. They get an only for chocolate tomorrow, build their friend house, say they go Paris, go live life for Paris. It just be say as people they don't just be now say they hook for Paris. Now why did they fear? You know, if you imagine the person they come out, in Cameroon, in make party, they call from Paris, they can cook for a house. They tell you say no. Say those cook will be coming for Paris or can't cook, they can't get drink. What type of knowledge way? Because when they talk say one decolonize our African belly, they see and say French Cameroon, you know, wherever come for that slavery, they will always be entangled of that slavery. And now why we need to talk now only because we will be different, will be two different people there. For see idea, ideology. It is too different. Because those people they don't know what to be future. They know only present. They don't know what to be respect. They know just see may they chop them forget about tomorrow. You see when you see person you want to know you which way they pay ask and say to a key. When somebody asks you to a key, he want to know you before he get that love for you. But if you don't know you, there is no love. Now why you say that country, it will take more than 50 years to stand. If it be like, if food did not be sell we out, I think so for don't bring or for don't make a changes for that country. But as food be look on personal pocket.
No, because some people they like for comment tell me say no, food did not sell we out. My brother, tell me some story, understand? Tell me some story. Some man.
I didn't hear you talk.
Some man chief your election. Okay? Some man chief your election may not be president. Some man continue make something today. You will be get the majority of Cameroonians they support you. They need support you again. So they carry for 2018. You see, si te plaît, appelle-moi un peu du blé, s'il te plaît. Appelle-moi un peu du blé, tu veux que je suis en ligne. Appelle-lui un peu du blé que je suis en ligne. So some people that me say, he continue chief your election, make you to be a dumb inside the society. You still continue can support it right for 2018. You feel say Frundi. That means say Frundi now can man. That means say he come na comedian land.
No, we need the Paris. What do you mean? I try to tell about Frundi. Frundi be more evil than Pobia because Frundi be looking for his own family and for his personal life.
Your personal life. That's it. Yeah. You have
it be looking. It be after because when we see and say even when late Ben Muna with Aswanyi they leave that party, the people they don't be know what it be. They be they go in because we been a deep secret. If you don't see and say Frundi is a sellout because Frundi be looking for his own family and his own future. Because you say what goes around come around. That's because it. With the Frundi go chop his flesh. Frundi go die picking the which way they go through and which way they don't make and where Saudi Cameroon and they don't go through. They suffer with Frundi go suffer. They go pass person way they born for hellfire. What you want to make you may know say Frundi we don't be sell out before people they want discover because if we talk say no one whole gone. If Frundi be whole gone, we be talk say no one whole gone. If gone be hell at that time we Frundi be 1992.
Frundi no one whole gone. Politics na Bible. We feed them pass for your neighbor.
Frundi be you know how Frundi it be low because Frundi be very dangerous past Bia. Frundi be very dangerous past Bia because Frundi a problem not be enough for change Cameroon. Frundi be enough for a personal
interest.
Ego.
Yeah,
for
that is it.
personal interest.
That is it.
And when you be see, Fundi be don't receive that money where they be give from this thing, it change, a language change. It start talk that rubbish. It start talk that evil. Fundi kill so many people pass behind for that party. That's why one rise for look say no, but why it behave so? Because if you see as soon as you be come out, Muna be come out, plenty people they be where they be hate SDF. Fundi be therefore deal with them because their eyes be open. And if you see what way Fundi they go today, even now so they say wait way Fundi they go today. If he play now, Bia go swallow it because he don't look say a time don't pass. Yam Bia they struggle. The money they be give is already accomplished.
I say wait it pass Fundi for talk for the whole world. Say this my picking the way they fight a good cause. I'm with them for that HUAD. Wait it pass him, my brother. Tell me.
If you don't chop from Gumba house, why you get for talk? You don't chop for the Gumba house. You expect somebody to talk something again.
Because no Fundi will come take come and say, I'm telling you, we have to. If we have to go to power, it's not by going by taking guns. We have to fight through. I said now witchcraft.
Now that standard 6 idea. No. What you be here, what you be get what you Chris Anno be there from the Willie.
I don't understand. I listen them very carefully. I've been listening to that from the speak.
It be so aggressive with Chris Anno.
I don't understand them. I've been listening them.
Yeah, but you see and say Fundi one play that is standard 6 politics. They you know say Uday now for Andro system, Andro generation. Now why we if you play because the way the reason.
Somebody asked me for say. Somebody asked me for say come Cameroon can talk. I come, no fear, die na nothing. Man die na one time.
Now everybody they go come Cameroon.
Now tell me my listing.
Really forget about those distractions then. Now that people they give them bread and sardine. Forget about those distractions. Me I don't ask you say you will get the information, you will get the interview with Fundi, the Chris Anno be interview Fundi.
Yes, no, I be get no, I listen them. Now some level is it vex me and
now,
stop them.
From that time with Fundi, if you know say they don't know it. Because when Chris Anno be interview Fundi don't say he don't finish. Where he start coach online, they coach because he be so aggressive. He know say all that small game them.
That is my crew.
They don't discover. Yes, they don't discover it. And Chris Anno be exposed it out. From that time, Fundi, he be go hospital, he be hospitalized because of it did. Because the worst thing about say when you fool people, they discover you. If he commit suicide, Fundi be dead for commit suicide. From that last interview where Chris Anno be interviewing, because if he feel say he over smart, but he no know say people they just give it chances may change. And wait till way it happen with Fundi. Fundi is dead 4th, 5th generation. They will go through that torment Southern Cameroon. We take that money, it will sell na a whole generation. A grand picking them. They go through which way we Southern Cameroonians will go. Because it sell a whole nation. And I tell you, say, more just live and so bad. Only God will just keep everything in prayer.
Now God na get power, my brother. Thank you very much. Now God na get power. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Papa. Make I tell you something. If I say make una call, any man fit call. Any man fit call. Nobody, my number don't put out this. Now na time for call. Make I tell you something. I don't hate nobody. I like any man. Okay? But wait till it happen for a land. Now team will get to be very, very, very conscious. Say, wait till it happen. Till we will need to do. Now for shit done down. Call these people. Say, make the camera go talk. Hello? Hello?
Good evening, my
Good evening, my brother. How are you?
yeah, God they keep my life.
Yeah.
Thank you for the good work you do.
The matter not thank you for the good work. It's not a work. It's a duty. And everybody has to do it.
Of course.
Voila.
It's a duty and you are doing a great job. Why some others are not doing that great job?
I don't care about
That's why I'm thanking you.
Thank you, my brother.
That's why I'm thanking you. You see, the fact is that no matter what they do, no matter how hard it seems, we are gonna free ourselves. You see, the matter with Baflundi, if somebody say no salary, that person they really lie, because if you know for go they rub yourself with the enemy, like our struggle, even before 2016 was still be strong. But when they achieve victory, instead of people staying strong, stay apart, they come out, go to chop with the enemy. They can give BB money, he rub it more for down, go to chop with the enemy, abandon it up to them. You see now?
That is it.
All the young people that will be vanguards, including myself too, will feel stranded.
Yeah.
And then when strong people stand up on top, conspiracy among them, they make another strong people and they start suffer. See what happened with Mr. Weber. When he turned up for parliament, he talk, he unfilled them for SDF, they turn their back to you.
Yeah, that is it.
We throw away our English tradition. When we say we represent our people, they don't represent ourselves. We take the evil tradition where man they follow their money and then they follow the voice of the people.
That is it.
I did ask myself, how long they will continue to fool themselves, fool their picking. The fact say they do their own day, no means say they know they suffer. Because no matter how much money they give you, when you don't get peace of mind, you are going to get peace of mind. You be a suffer man, you be a slave. But if all the parliamentarians, the way they call themselves SDA parliamentarians, if they will turn out firm, sometimes person like Mbanda will see they are alive today. But not because of greed. An extravagant life.
Greediness, my
They
brother.
forget
Greediness.
and abandon their people.
Greediness. Greediness, my brother.
Greediness.
When I
And I
excuse
ask
me,
myself,
I don't come out for outside because I want dark small. I want small cigar.
no, it be okay, my dear
No,
one.
I did get you, my brother. Talk. I want to excuse myself. People are listening to me.
I did ask myself, all that young beginner they die for Southern Cameroon, wait to be the price that they pay. If we not realize ourselves, we turn our back for that evil, we go back for our people. Themselves they go die all for your own day. Many of them don't fall. Many of them don't fall. And many go still fall. Because the enemy they come for do good. The enemy they come for kill.
No, that point I say, Moko go, may them call their picking them. May they call their picking them, there is a bush. May they go show them, play where they hide. May they to go kill them. For the love where they get them for that country. Now they will be breach. They will be breach for that country.
The one thing I say, they forget one thing, my dear brother. They Ewondo people, the Bulu people, French Cameroon and France, they need our homeland without we. When military don't finish or kill that people, they still be in resistance. They go turn for them too, they go kill them too. They're not going to forget that one. They need our homeland without we. So, any person who feel say it take refuge for your own day. Any person who feel say it be safe for your own day. It fool itself. You go back home. Stay with your people.
People they call me online. When I not call me again online. I don't online. When I not call me again online. I did online. When I not call me. When I call me, I come for the number. What the number? So the number put out down here. So.
Oh. And for WhatsApp call, it will be better.
Yes, people that they call me for line. I understand.
It be funny. The best thing for any Southern Cameroonian that for go back home, come on, when they go back home, stay among your people.
We need say what picking they not go be come from with the cum go ya when they for go do passport. Now blockage of land or na blockage of hate or men don't scatter.
Na stupidity, my brother. Stupidity. That's stupidity. That's stupidity. And the evil they continue. But one thing where I believe in, I say, we go free that homeland with or without them. And so they'll come for their knees, can they beg? Maybe it could be too late for some of them. Because they know they're alive when we don't free the homeland. When bull people don't see them say, we don't start defeat them powerfully, they go turn for start kill them. They will turn for start kill them.
Because they know
the truth. And the reality that.
Because they know the truth.
The fact that we get everything. They get to ask themselves one question. We'll be there in a federation now with who? We'll be there in a federation with East Cameroon. Or with the Republic of Cameroon. If we be there in a federation with East Cameroon, now with who we live today with the Republic of Cameroon, then something must be wrong now. If East Cameroon don't go back for the name la Republic of Cameroon, why would not go back for a name Southern Cameroon or West Cameroon? Or what would call ourselves today Ambazonia? They get to think. We will get a federation with East Cameroon. Where they be call them before say la Republic of Cameroon. But now we in a federation, we live with la Republic of Cameroon. And they try to make us say, me will be part of la Republic of Cameroon. They don't go back for their name when they get them before federation. Why would not go back for a name? And then the most stupid thing, the ugliest thing, they call us secessionists. If our people they forget hate, now we don't first point them finger, so they don't secede from the union.
Yes,
because now they start call themselves la Republique du Cameroun. It means say now them be the secessionists, no be we. We just follow now what they don't do. Because we will get a federation now with East Cameroon, not be with la Republic of Cameroon. Oh man, if we want to make any foolish move, you get to think of that one. Hey, I beg your pardon. How did they call the country today? La Republic of Cameroon. Who be me? I don't get no place. Who be me? Where I come out? I come out Southern Cameroon. I will be there in federation with East Cameroon. But now, they call this country the Republic of Cameroon. Where they did the name where East Cameroon we call itself before the one joined for the union. So it be just normal. It be just but normal. So we get to go back for our own state. No be so really.
Now they all let in that, my brother.
I don't know why we debate about the bush. Anything we will do and beat go up, come down, we could still get our state of Southern Cameroon. My name is Uncle P. I thank you, my brother.
Uncle P, you are welcome, my brother. Take care. Greet your family for me.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Greet your family for me.
Yes.
If you want to know me up against it, they don't poison me for this land. We are together. That is my name.
They don't go poison you. Don't forget, say, I be plan, say, I come for Paris, me will make some songs them together. They don't go poison you. Just know the way you the job.
My brother.
Know who you the move
only
with.
Calls the word they receive any day for you. Proposal of things.
God the guard to you. God the guard and protect you.
Who be
the
them?
gods of our homeland.
Who be
they not sleep. if they would sleep, they would don't wipe we all. You hear me now?
I get you, my brother.
Thank you, my brother.
One spirit.
Thank
Take
you.
care. Take care. Give me a family.
Yes.
I don't tell when I say when I fit call give on a proposal. Any man fit call for your give proposal. Make I tell you something. Me, I don't get damn shit for anybody. Look am, if you stand for my front, you talk rubbish. You go know say the revolution is inside the blood of the children. I will make you to understand that what is coming to a man is equal to another man. Yes, there is time somebody can stand up for his people. Boys are fighting in ground 0. We are in ground 5. We have to do the same thing. People, yes, hello.
Yeah, ask Willie.
Yeah, my papa.
Yeah, which way these people they feel say maybe one be the one type of turn up. I don't think so. You don't know maybe you come on a man picking. Need to be turn you again back to be a woman. You hear?
I did get you, my brother. Talk about it.
Yeah, because what you may try for the thing that say, I think they, even if for this generation they not see independent, one for the 4th or 3rd generation it will come, because I think they, which way they try for one do, it not go work, and the more they try to put pains in our heart, that the more it will be more destructive, because the love not there. If you say the one grab all that oil, the one grab that diamond, the one grab those timber, but there will be a time where we will go after them, come even right inside the house of Southern Cameroon, because if they feel say they're going to kill Southern Cameroonian them, then we will not go start pains for them. After they go, it will be time we will start to go after them one by one. We will go after them inside Southern Cameroon. Any Bamleke, any Ewondo, any Douala, we will go one after another to get that pains, to take them off from that land.
Benassi, you know say me, I not be in addicted to that. I don't want bring hitries.
The earlier they leave, where you know what tell me say those black legs the way they talk, that they won't know, that they Bassa, that they Douala, the Bamleke inside Amazonia, where they make and they kill brother them. How long would it be then would they say they will kill brother the way they did the way they operate? Because the more when they go after them, take them, put them for the raid track where they want them to, because those army then are their brother, where they shoot their own brother them as a civilian. They kill them. They never talk say you die we are enemy, because you talk every day say they go poison you. If you don't want poison you, no be a brother English speaking go poison you. Now you go dying with the francophones them, then your die go commode. You know go blame no man. But I don't tell them say there will be a time all those colonial guys them, all those DOs, mayor, they get for the take them one by one. They feel say maybe the time those it approach, because we update every day. What the things say, if the army they like, may they be for 1-to-1. If they like, may they go to surround they deal them, they surround the mayor, they surround their own La Republic citizens inside Amazonia. Okay, that's my contribution.
Thank you, my brother. It's a very brief contribution. I like it. Make I tell you something. Make I tell you something. Well, I don't know. Now share. I will cast again. Say when I wanna day on board, you wanna make 10 share. Make I tell you something. Look, any man will give a blood for this land is somebody you have to respect. Okay? This is my life today. I've given all. Oh, yes, hello. Hello.
Yeah, salut madame Willy.
Salut, Papa. Now, how for you?
Man just the man this year things that they
You
go.
are in the life of Willie de Paris.
Sure, for sure, like usual.
They listing you
like
on
usual.
live.
I want to ask something for that thing where this was our brother. We just talk now. So
Yeah.
so the talk, maybe the talk now vex or waiting. But if you forget say, except the Bassa them, the Bamileke them, when they born them and grow up in Southwest, they too they feel that pain for la Republic. You know, support double all minds that one basket.
But you fair no
It's
say,
very bad.
you fair no say, you fair, you,
I get if a payday, I get Bamileke boys and when they for bush, when they fight because they two they fight, then they bond them for Southwest. Now our people. So though we come today say because La République, because inside La République that be them, we get Anglophone they should reach you. Okay, Anglophone they should we.
I feel the pain. I feel the pain. I feel the pain. But you know, say me, and if you accept, say me, they kill any man, say Bulu, or no, and if you go into that way, understand?
Yeah, if they talk about the mayors and the they are against the mayor, they will fight them. Would they come, they fight them? You know, don't we got to say, maybe they take off. You want me to teach on our tongue now, waiting. Because Bamileke, because Bamileke, they yamo, they need to have monkey club. They many where they want them for Limbe, for Southwest. When they did for the struggle, they suffer too.
No, brother.
They don't get nothing for job.
That is true.
What is the talk? We call the talk about, no, that's the struggle there. It's so we take off the mayors and take off any mind they represent la Republic for our land. You know, don't we call the talk some kind of talk so for more than 300 people that are faced. That's a nonsense.
That's true.
When I shack was when I found this so I don't go shack on our way to already can talk and do talk.
No, that is true. Any man get to give your opinion. But I say, me, I be against Semo Kukwori ourselves. Any man get your opinion, and any man your opinion kind, because all of you they feel bad for what happened for our land.
For sure. Because if you say they need key Bassa or Bamileke people for Southwest, but they need victim. They need key. And will get our own born Anglophone brothers and sisters. When I betray them, they work with la Republic.
That is true.
What did you also talk? No. That time of talk because we get those people for bush, Bassa, Bamileke for bush. Where they don't bother the sister there. They get blocked with the eye. You know, we talk so.
I understand your feeling, my brother. I understand your feeling. Any man get away for talk. So now only just talk. Now only wait for talk.
If you talk about you, all this kind of thing, yeah, would they against them? You know, don't we call it talk say, no, that is talk with that.
Thank you very much.
Okay, my leave place for my twin brothers, really.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you for your calling. Thank you. Me, I feel say I never come for distribute fight and heat race. The feel say what you are talk for you be very true. I don't want to know if you are supporting a group or an individual human being. I don't want to know about it. What I can easily say here is just that we are forced to understand that what is going on in our land is very typical. And we need to be one to take it ahead. We need to be one to make it known that we need nobody to die in that land again. We need everybody to live a peaceful land in that land. That land is my motherland. I was born in that land. And nobody will take it from me. Not even Pobia. Pobia, I don't care about him again, okay? I don't care about what he's thinking about, what he can do to people. The only two people that say, if you don't get the power for key people, If you want talk for this video, you call for this number. Because we get again, we'll say about 20 minutes to go to call for the number. Allume la lumière. To call to the number to give your opinion. Talk anything you want to talk and not fear nobody. Anything will happen, make it happen now. Somebody have to leave this world one day. Or but make I tell you something. You feel say it be normal for say mama people stand for dance so. See how people they can fool your brother and say make papa then go show play with their picking that they hide for say make they kill them. It is a be normal. It is a be normal. For say no be na man where he decide for carry AK. Go turn up for say he want save the revolution. They carry their money, go full number for Nigeria. Me number come to fool the population. Wait number don't do today. See play with the world day. See play with the world day today. See where we are today. Because for their mind, they feel say everything they can do. That's it. They don't create poverty inside Southwest and Northwest way. Them wait where they need to do now only for make the poverty constitutional. If they give man 10,000, if you go sell even in papa. But they never forget say everybody don't be wise today. Nobody never take that kind of money again for selling own personal picking. And no one care for here whether man is support President Sako or man is support or man is support who. I don't care. Support what you can support. We have to make the solution. We have to create a solution in that revolution now. And this is time. And every week I will be on board 2 times per week now to tell you my feelings and what I'm feeling about it. They go burn my village. Who give them the right to burn my village? Who tell them that they can burn with the Paris village? Nobody has the right to burn that village. Nobody had the right to burn that village. Una want to know about artists? Make I tell una, there is no artist inside the diaspora world. They are never see artists with it and from with the party talk about music and all the rest. I'm the best so far. I'm the best that God have created in my life. If I wanted to live a peaceful life with this my career, I could have even stay quiet. That's why I live my small life. But I don't want to live ticking life. I do what a man can do to save his own people. That is what I'm doing this, to tell the young ones who are listening to me, because I know people listening to me, that you have to do something to save your place, because you are living now. Pobia is an old man. Pobia is going to die. But I'm still young. I need to do something before going. I will never be happy to be a failure like Pobia. I don't want to be a failure like that man. I will never be a failure like him. Come and kill me, there's no problem. Look, as you kill me, you are not killing all those who are fighting. Another man go, another man come. My God have tell me, Willie Party have to do it for your people. I am doing for the people. If there's nobody who can, we're not going to talk again. We are not getting nothing for talk again for this platform. Now number that. We are not going to talk again. 5 minutes. If somebody not call, better we will just stop it. For say I don't talk my thinkings. Okay? I don't give way to I get to get for now. Make una listen me better. Now the shame for call. Now the fear for talk about una brother. You where you say you know like the revolution. The people they die. You know brother them. Maybe they brought them. No can tell me for years. I like people. I like some people and pass on other people. Them. You are fooling yourself. I'm a boy of dignity and collaboration. I live by my dear mother fireside. She was gone already, and I give nobody the mandate to go and burn my village. You cannot burn within the Paris village and think I'm going to stand down here and be preaching the gospel so that people can easily love you for what you have done, the evil you have done to my people, burning down all those villages. I don't show them my village, burn down my village. My mama made Benigram, burn them down. Who gave them the right to burn my mama made Benigram? Grace we are hate. Una don't craze. Something to work out for una sense. Una feel be proud today. Say inside the diaspora, artists no day. Artists no day. I know they see them. Where then they? Artists no they can't turn up with their party talk. It lasts. So I be artist. Singing, comedy, films, witty. I'm the best so far. I'm the best. You take it on my word. I'm the best. Now my number that you want call, challenge. I know only people they can't talk here because they support. I know people call if you want to challenge now. That is my number. You can challenge. Now my number they don't put down so you can challenge. At the way to call, when I get to call. If una never call, shame for una. Una wole she don't for here the talk. I the come. Una for Denmark, una with me. I the come. America, una with me. I the come. Canada, I the come. I the come everywhere. And I'll be amongst them. But so fortunate is this time when I take my plane for come for some place, I need protection. I need protection for my life, and I would do it. I will not die like a buffalo. I would die like a soldier. I would die like Ivo, General Ivo. I would die like that guy. He was a good guy, my brother. He was a very great guy. You know, like you take it, you like a leave him. That boy was a very great guy. General Ivo. I see that petit frère. Who not like life? Now they can't talk. Let's say that diaspora be 10 boys there for ground zero, make they carry gun. Nobody send no man. Nobody send me the party to talk and prove his face in a video. Nobody send me for talk. I show my face on video. Now because I love my place. That is why I'm doing it for my people. Nobody send me for do this. And nobody send nobody for ground zero for fight. They fight because they know what they are fighting to. So stop giving blames to people. Say, now, una there for diaspora. I say, when they carry some picture of people that can't put them for Facebook. Say, look at the man they live. Look am. If you not get the lucky for come for Europe, no man make your family get that ballock. Visa then they embassy that they give for everybody. No man must give visa for come for Europe. You fight it by yourself. You fight your life by yourself. So stop making, let's say, the boys that they fight. They fight because they don't know why they fight. They are fighting because they know why they are fighting for. If I'm talking right, I need to see heart. I want to see heart. Put me heart. Put me heart. Stimulate me. Put me heart. Put me heart. Put me heart. I'm asking you. Yes. I want to see heart. And share the video so that make it go rival. Me and if you ever respect Pobia again, where I get to respect Pobia? Who be he? I respect the old man for 86 years. Who be he? Which money get a man to get for this world? I rich past Pobia because my richness come out from my spirit. Understand? Forget about. No man no one call again. Okay, no one call. But now the she done, the main noise them for background. Talk, wait when I get to talk. Look, I make a tell you something. Nobody can do me. Nobody can make me fear. I'm not afraid of nobody in this world. Yes. When I go make all artists, she don't silent. But me, I will talk. I will talk until the last day I will leave this world. I will continue to talk. If you like it, take it. You like it, not take it. That is your problem. I don't have a damn to give. You mommy way you want to go turn up, go show player picking day for killer. You are a fool. Me, I be very sorry too for the boys the way they fight for Cameroon army. The Cameroon army they kill them everybody. I get my brother away in the army. My blood brother in then I boy you. I get my blood brother the way they plenty inside army. I be very sorry for them. I get one of my friends that they don't die inside the revolution. But I don't give nobody the mandate for go burn my village. Now that tomorrow I go do the very life in French. I want me the French people, they made them listen me very carefully. I will tell them what you do I know. Don't cast on your mind, miss me, my bonke cham. Then craze on your mind. So you give your life to an old man. We don't can betray this life. They need to sit down and talk. They need to sit down and talk. The same thing are the Acts, the Yabachos, and the Sakos, and those people to sit down and talk. That is what I'm talking today. They need to sit down and talk. If you are fighting for the same goal, you have to sit down and talk. That is my cry. I want to see them sit down and talk. Because it's for the sake of our people. It's not because you are happy to do it. It's not because you are doing it for gaining something. How can you be fighting for the same goal and be fighting differently? And be quarreling every day, insulting yourself for no benefit? And you think somebody is going, there's God who is going to come and say you have to understand yourself. Fight for what you are fighting, but understand yourself so that you can easily take the people to the same generation, to the same direction. I'm begging you, sit down and talk. The Boabet. Sit down and talk. You have to talk. This is not your revolution. This is a revolution for the people of Southern Cameroon. Hello.
Yes, Willie.
Yes,
good evening once more.
Good evening, my brother.
Good evening again, my dear one.
I'm getting you, my brother. Speak. Speak. People are calling
me. Uncle B again.
Yes, speak.
Me, I will put them this way. Enemy for my enemy, now my friend. That one means say, if Pobiana my enemy, and another Southern Cameroon to don't take Pobia like enemy, that Southern Cameroonian to be automatically my brother and my friend.
That is it.
So if I did fight for liberate myself from Bia, for liberate my own people, my own quarter, my own local government area, and then you instead fight me, instead of fight Bia, it means say we not to fight the same fight.
It means that there's a problem.
Okay. I want to take this opportunity now.
Yeah.
I thank some great young brother of ours where he don't do a wonderful move.
Now that
he sees gone for La Republic. He go game for support another fighters them there.
Yeah.
And they talk now, our brother no pity.
Yeah.
I give 100 gun salute. If we fit one time, we kill 23 fighters of our own. We say we fight revolution. We not fight that revolution. We fight now for support the enemy where he kill we. So the only thing where we fit do will come together if we truly fight to free ourselves.
That is it. Nothing what they cry to every day.
Now you are the cry. And I don't ever keep my mouth shut. I'll continue to talk that one. The simplest way for talk I'm not say enemy for my enemy, now my friend. You see him? Sometimes they come and say, we don't bound this one, we don't bound this one, we don't bound this one. You go fight that elephant.
You know what way it remember the feedback for this the revolution to go on.
Talk about here, my brother.
The matter I remember the feedback, the greatest battle I get off my mind, now say. Today you go see somebody can't say there is ghost town everywhere today. The next morning time, different people will come to say, no, we not agree for this lockdown. Now because they need to understand themselves.
Yes.
Because it may be first time so. when General Ivo was alive, I saw this guy talking and everybody was about of it. And today,
Oh, great young man. Great young man. And you see, immediately, Bia and an evil band of criminals, they succeed to infiltrate our revolution. Our great fighters and staff fall.
so they have to be aware.
They start fall.
They have to be
Wait till
aware.
we get for talk. Wait till we get for talk. Any person where he come and say, I don't bound this man, I don't bound this man. I could ask you one question. If you be a farmer, you want for harvest mango for that year plenty. Eske you go prune that mango tree, go leave now only the pop. If you prune that mango tree, go leave now only the pop, you know for harvest no nothing. So if you bound your brother, then when they fight that same fight with you, then it means that you know the fight that fight. You hear me?
I did get you, my brother, talk.
Yes. If you ban your brother when they fight the same enemy where you fight them, it means say you know they fight that enemy.
Yes,
It means
because
you are
I will tell you something. My trip to Boya was a very good trip. Okay? Was a very good trip.
Yes.
Because everybody was inside. And everybody know when they promised that we are going to Boya, everybody knew we are going to Boya. But I know it was not a way to say things. Okay? But today, you can't talk say, now goes down today. Different man walk up to say, no, maybe now goes down. When I continue to do nothing, then when I forget about this man. No feel say as you talk so now you will respect him.
And I say it there.
You fool
I
yourself.
say it there.
You fool yourself.
You fool yourself.
If it mean that you need to understand yourself, okay? If you talk something, make us support you, okay? Tomorrow when you two talk, may you two support me. That's how we are going to take things, my brother.
And we know if you do them differently.
That's
Like just the way that.
That's it. That's
So
it.
like just the way that.
That's
So we get for recognize any small move where any person do for togetherness.
That is it, my brother.
Because now only together we go fit kill that elephant. And one thing I say, we don't already win this film quarter. We can't check around, but now we still win them again. Me no person, absolutely no person. He get fear for heart. He thinks say they go defeat we. Despite the differences, they no go defeat we. We go get our homeland.
That is it.
Now my advisor to any person.
Thank you.
And then we could be able to build a homeland where any person, whether it be Pamanta by Pekin, whether it be farmer Pekin, you will get your place for inside our homeland.
That is it.
Because some of we did today phenomena because our parents have been rich. That just because we will grow for atmosphere where it be conducive for any people for develop in mind.
That is it.
You get me? No be say they go the tar Kumba Boya Road. You go look among the people that they walk there. Right down to Lebra. You know the talk your country talk for that area. It be false.
My brother, the road safe since 1977, where they tar that road. Now the very system. It never
And
changed.
the very system.
So
It never changed.
we need a very good system. Me, I don't get no man here.
And we could get that, my brother, listen to me. I dey talk like picking for person where if you work for highways and know as they be the fixed road with a small possibility they will get them. My papa dey work for highways.
My papa work
You
for
see
highway
now?
too. My papa work from.
You see?
Now my papa they make road from Tico to Kumba. From in 1977, in 1975.
You see him. You dey see him, my brother. You dey see him. So we all grow under that people them way they will fix our roads. They no be need any French to fix the road. But now they want build some more road. You go, you see all person, worker from Caterpillar driver to laborer, and they talk a strange language. No, we we say no to it. We say no to them.
That is it, my brother.
We say ngang. We say ngang. We say no to them.
Sengang.
We say no to them.
Sengang.
When I be there on Technical College, sometimes I never believe say from Anglophone man or an English man, he be sport teacher. Because we be there for place all sport teachers be a francophone. They know they talk English. Yeah, English teacher be talk a person. That trusty, now you knew self una your brother and you. You know that time will be the way job Allah. That big trust away be the rich man Babele.
I know.
Now French teacher, now French man they talk for picking so. You say, someone say, le toto le student don't come. Et gâter mon ballon. Now talk that way to talk with students. We don't need all that kind of things. We get capable teachers. We get capable intellectuals for bring up our picking them.
Thank you, my brother.
We don't need them. We don't need them anymore.
Thank you very well.
Me, any person where it be from the Southern Cameroonian descent, make you just ask you one question. Southern Cameroon, we get into a federation with who? Now with East Cameroon or now with La Republic of Cameroon. And then now, if they call the country La Republic of Cameroon, my brother, ask yourself where you belong to. Who saw you are on bird right there? Where Southern Cameroon don't go to?
Tell me.
Thank you, Willie.
Thank you, my brother.
Where,
Take care.
Where Southern Cameroon don't go to?
Take care, my brother.
My brother.
Thank you.
We'll continue.
Thank you.
For talk. You get the nice evening once more.
Thank you.
Now Uncle P again.
Uncle P.
Yes.
You are welcome. Make I tell you something. Me, I respect people the way they get hurt. Yeah, the man they call since more take it. Go be the last call for the day. Hello.
Yeah, Willie.
Yes, Papa. How for you?
They're fine.
If it's slow.
I will hear you in a time of this no. I will hear you. There will be the Christ in the sixth country.
Yeah. But if it's slow, your volume.
Right.
If it's slow your volume, if it's slow another phone, please.
All right.
They're listening you, my brother.
All right. It be clear now.
Yes, now they clear.
All right. Till we I want to reply first person we talk say if the kid 23 fight people with the kid at 23 fight they don't belong for the struggle.
No, I need to get you fine. I don't know what will happen. I need to get you fine. Slow.
All right.
Slow.
Just a second, Mark.
Slow the another phone where you get down for that side.
I think I don't slow him down.
Now you're okay. You can talk. I'm getting you.
Okay. I want to say the person we call to say the key 23 fighter. I understand you worry, but the question I say, where did that 23 fighter be the truth for different money come where they no tell you? When you get fighters, when you get your fighters, if I say when you want to go for any money come, tell that person because you get gun. Any man they went military, you they come with gun for do it for different money come. It no be good. But for all we for unite fight the same fight, that one is very important. I don't believe say for this struggle, people really they fight for La Republic, like for example, like I know if it talks say Yabachu the fight for La Republic, I know if it talks say Akwanga the fight for La Republic, I know if it talks say interim government the fight for La Republic. We the fight for succeed. All man the fight for succeed. But the only problem where we get down within the leaders now say the leader talk say now me want take we go now me want be the head me will get independence.
Yeah.
Whether one not correct. Mm-hmm. If man don't pass you, if you see say the person they succeed, support that person, make we all succeed.
That is it.
Yes, I feel say if we see say the person they succeed, more support that man, make we all succeed. Or you bring your idea, bring my own. More not just fine and say I want be head, I want be leader, I want be most respected.
I thank you for your idea.
Yes, Thank you so much for Willie for all thing what you do. I might leave other people make the talk. Bye bye.
Thank you very much for your idea. Thank you very much for your contribution. It's a pleasure. Thank you. You're welcome. Some man don't call again. If you can call now, you can still call, because the matter is that, make I tell you something. Me, I don't get no damn forgive for nobody. Damn, I don't get no damn for nobody. Yes, man, take this man a call, okay? Hello?
Hello, Grand Willie.
Yes, now for you.
No, fine, my grand, long time.
Very long time. They am around.
Okay, I want to talk now, say.
Yes,
So when I call, I come up, we'll talk to this, say, the enemy of my friend is my friend.
Yes.
Okay. Well, I want to make judgment, I don't make on one-sided. For example, Sako and Ayabacho, they live in a friends. When me now say this, so Sako na probably a friend, and Ayabacho na probably a friend. I don't know if I understand the judgment.
Now you tell me. Now you tell me.
No,
I don't feel understand.
You confirm that your money talk. Then your man
Okay.
confirm you say the enemy of my friend is my friend, and you accept them. So if Ayabacho and Sako they need be friend, it means that so Pobia na Ayabacho a friend and Pobia na Sako a friend. You know go reach when you want make judgment, make them equal. And why that we African they will fail. We reach your John, we just show, we reach your Peter, we just show. If you want judge for the both side equal. So now just my idea that then you talk some one talk I like how you talk say they really need for dialogue. Say probably need for dialogue with the Amber group. Why you never spend more time back the Amber group say me the first dialogue first. If they fit dialogue, then they count to 1 month. To tell them be in 1 month after 2 months. We will go first probably dialogue with you.
So you be probably a group.
Me I be man way and one piece.
You be probably a
And I
group.
want no, I explain for you. The point I say, if the dialogue they say, why you expecting me probably a dialogue with them?
So you know why me probably a dialogue with them.
If your group never dialogue, why you expect me probably a dialogue with them? If una
Never the actually say you know one me probably a dialogue with them.
Una fair dialogue because una not dialogue, una will kill una self. How we do una man they come out to see the key 23 soldier them. You don't feel the make, you don't feel the judge any because of Saudi come out. So it means say if this Saudi come on, they go the keep in the name of Saudi come on, you will accept them. You will accept them and
you don't see which boy for Southern Cameroon keep picking for Southern Cameroon.
Okay, a man just come out talk person the key 23 in the you know here.
That one a fighter them. Fighters, they have their problem.
That's not fighter they are picking them.
No, not picking. Fighter. No, fighter, no, like picking the way. Soldier, they go keep picking them for this place. Where they go keep picking them for Kumba, for school. That is not fighters.
We need to find no money argue. So they picking the way they kill the way they fight and then as somebody picking them.
No, that one fighter and a fighter. That one a problem between the fighters. So they get carrying their problem.
They need for that. When I be sign contract with them, me then die. Their own life not be important. When I blame problem for where when I been the bloody killer.
Yes. Then how will you like?
How will
you like the phobia no? Continue.
I don't want me to kill no man. That Willie, I did repeat them. When I feel life will find me kill me, me I don't like me to kill no man. Wala na Amber, wala na government. I don't want kill no man because you be aware say. They army the way they go for book, where they army they go fight. So now popo that picking the way
take different man.
That government officer they send up.
Yeah, take different man. I ask you, take different man. If you don't finish, if you never finish, continue to talk. I need to cut you. I need to cut no man today. Yeah.
I advise the Amber men in the dialogue too. You don't only be strong popular. What did he put on do bring about table?
But you know, say this Amber boys, you know, say Amber boys, they no go dialogue because there's not an easy war in this world. Okay, you never ever carry rubber gun, so make you not ever talk about my carry gun. If you be say You feel cover.
So me they know so me like never come back normal because
it will never come back into normal. It will never come back into normal. It will never, petit frère.
And they change define you. Why you talk to them so your Bakundu Banga no ever come back normal?
I fuck Bakundu Banga when it comes to put Ambazonian into place. I fuck Bakundu Banga. I give nobody the mandate to go and burn my village.
When I mean Bakundu Banga, I just example. And then the people of Bakundu Banga where they claim say one, even the Ambazonia where they claim say one defend them. But you don't get no vision like say one day people will
forget. I don't get no vision. There are people who have vision. Speak with them. I don't have no vision. I forget about the vision, my brother. Let me take another person.
I mean, you don't get no vision. Say one day that place will be backfire. You not even dreamer.
When the boys will fight until the last man fall, there will be a vision. Don't be worried, okay?
So the mommy there, so the mommy they also want to keep them. That picking away the small go school where they get future, also want to keep them.
You say you where you go to school, 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 you where you go to school. Which kind of future you get them? Which future you get? Because you because you Euro, because you Euro. Which future you get them?
You talented, you sing music. It's going to chop for the team.
Which future? Which future do you have? Tell me about your future. Which future? Which future do you have?
You are not a poor man.
I'm not still a poor man. I'm never poor.
So what? So anyone now when if you make a bola, you blame the poor. You don't create something for no make money. What do you talk for here?
I want to make people like better. I want to make people like better.
You know what? People don't come for Europe. People don't come for America. Me they create something. Now Francis Ngannou that for this so. Now Pobia give. Now Pobia make it be what it be.
Francis Ngannou na who? Francis Ngannou na who? We are talking about people who are dying. They are dying in Southwest and Northwest. They are talking about Francis Ngannou. Francis Ngannou get locking for doing better life.
You can do something. You know, already tell them me now gun with you. For you for put talent for picking their hand, you put a gun for their hand. So you know, so then if you ever go fight for beer.
Fuck about yourself. You're talking to Willie de Paris. This is not the man you have to talk to. We are fighting. What is your problem? Okay, let me take another man. Can I take another man?
Yes, my grand. Welcome back.
Thank you very much. We are together. I don't want to cut you. Make you no can talk say Willie de Paris. You cut me because you know I'm a talk. You talk your stupidity and you take it to yourself. Hello.
Yeah. Willie de Paris.
Thank you, my brother.
Yeah, you know, when they talk to those type of people, they give them government they talk. You don't say not picking them for Prundi, not picking the way they chop for the crumb of the regime and are the slave for the white colonial masters. When you talk for somebody like that person, you not give for the give chance. Now, guy way those people, they not people the way they don't brainwash them, and way.
Vaseline?
If as more poor people stay for CD, a papa, a mommy, their family, they feed from the regime. Now why would they feed the support? If you're a man like that, feed the talk, even when they need changes for Africa, no see that one at the one way papa, either it belongs to Mosonge, it belongs to Enoni, it belongs to Frundi, it belongs to Ekema. You're not going for the judge, that for just turn off the call for those type of people.
No, if you say any man will talk good against the government of Pobia, now any man will get a relationship with the government, where they benefit something from the government. I understand. And this is my platform. Now, for say make any man talk ibele, but maybe the man he talk for convince you for do what you want to do for this world because the man small.
Yeah, but
you get me, no, my brother?
Yeah, but really, it provoke the other color them because you know we give chance to that kind of person. Maybe because not be only because of the only Cameroon struggle. We get other people that way from different countries where they listen to your platform.
Yes, people are calling.
We need changes. We need changes. We don't need changes not only for Ambazonia. We need changes for the whole Africa. You understand? The we only change only for Ambazonia, we only change only for Nigeria, we only change only for Gabon, we only change only for we need change for the whole Africa. But if somebody like that one, he can't talk, say, me say get problem. If that guy for this modern world now, we be focus inside Africa, I mean that guy have a problem. That guy, they need for go for psychiatric center. Okay, now.
Thank you, my brother. And I want spirit. I take this man too. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Oh boy, slow your another phone now. How you go manage call the listening for again for internet? Internet get at least 5 minute gap or 1 minute gap. So slow the phone and talk at the listing you. People they listing you from here. Hello.
Alright, oh Willie.
Yes, now for you.
Joko Chamariba.
Mbamongo.
Well, Willie, I share Papa.
Thank you very much, my brother.
Just push him. You know, I don't know why you first giving allow that moron for come for your platforms they rant.
No,
if you hear anybody,
I give any man free time to talk. You want to talk, you talk. There's no problem. I'm not no problem.
Yeah, you hear people like that one they can't they rant so now because they know they don't get their way back to Cameroon. And if this guy he talk the rubbish and when he out talk about succeeding, why if you stay Cameroon succeed, why he come out?
No, if you say man way to stay for you, if you say man way to stay for you now, man way get money. No, say
exactly
any human being way to stay any no
this
man.
Why they talk about why were people them for outside is I beg that government Pobiano ever create platform for you them. You do not get platform, they not get base where they use and succeed. That's why you see a lot of people don't come out, and when people don't come out outside, see the reality, and then they dream that kind of thing for country, they don't get them. I mean, it see now they push people. That's why people they get courage.
That is it.
A lot of we the outside here will not get that courage for Cameroon, but we don't see reality.
That is it.
So when some moron they come for your platform can rant, not even give them that time for just cut them. Some of them don't even know the reality on the ground.
Thank you plenty, my brother.
You never make it now about 7 months ago at the Cameroon, I stopped for your village for Bangam Bakundu. I see havoc. I mean Muyuka Pekin. You know we talk about Muyuka case.
But na desert now.
When they can't, they rant now because they rant because they see crumbs and when they chop. It's now we will declare war.
That's life, my brother.
You know, people for house person attack you for your house. They never cross Mungu. They never go for Francophone side go fight. It is the same they go Yaoundé. We get problem with Yaoundé. They get problem with the regime, not Yaoundé as a town.
That is it, my brother. That is it.
So if oh Jesus Christ, some people don't sell their consciences.
They have said their conscience.
And they want to like an ambassador of peace.
That is it.
There is no peace without justice.
There is not going to be.
So now a lot of them they rant because maybe they don't see the change, a little bit change on the field. They don't see strategies, they don't change. And it will continue for change. Because as long as the war will continue, people they develop ideas, they begin into they develop.
Maybe the most idiot situation if you understand. Because as the war
forget that guy. So yeah,
the guy na Maperika, na some black leg, I know you very well. Na Maperika they call me all time.
Even if the leaders they be divided, I bet you it will come a time all them go sit on table, they will be united. It will go happen.
They have to do.
It go happen.
They have to do.
So when I hear some idiot ones that they come for your platform, can they run? They want try for Charlie. They want pass their own information by force. May you buy them for your platform. I trust you. You be the rock. They're not penetrate.
No one spirit, my brother. Take care, man.
Yeah.
You be the last.
Yeah, Papa. Continue no push them.
You
Who
the
knows?
last-
Self will be rusty. Will not see. That's the problem.
We are together. I'm around. Till they can open. I'll be around everywhere.
The green Jokucha Mariba.
Mbamongo. Miango mamboka, bana ba oroko. Bawangize mboka, chabanga mboka, miango mamboka, Mbanjo kuchamaria. We are together. Una take care. What is happening? I feel it with the rip of, this man they call, but make a take it, make it not be say, he don't call and never take it. But he don't call, he don't call. But I saw boy, you don't call Nana so no, Berika. Or you call again,
Hello?
talk no, make the listing you because I want to stop the show, but stop, talk me the listing you.
All right. I'll be very brief.
Go on, I'm listening to you. There's no problem.
Okay. The other caller where it talks say we fight among ourselves. We need to fight among ourselves. We know say we want to get independent, so we are united in what we are fighting. That's why everybody is fighting La Republic as well. And then the fight that where David Talk said they kill and they're not killing at this time. It was years ago when there were still problems, but now we've understood ourselves, so things are getting better.
Thank
And
you.
then you too, you don't know why we fight. Because if you know why we fight, you know, for talk say more dialogue within ourselves. You cannot come to a thief cannot come to your house to come and steal, and you have a weapon and you can't fight back. If you don't fight back, that means you're a fool. And if he's only concentrating on thinking that he is rich or he is successful, without thinking about those that are poor, that are trying to grow up, you will never grow. A wise man thinks of himself and the others. A foolish man will think about his stomach. When he's satisfied, he doesn't care about what is happening. You cannot sit and see La Republic military come and burn children in the house, burn houses. We've seen them on video burning houses. They are educated. And you come and you are proud that La Republic is killing Ambazonian or Ambazonian is fighting within themselves. So we have to dialogue with La Republic and not anybody.
That is it.
All right. Thank you so much and have a great day.
Thank you. Have a great day too. It's a pleasure having you on board. It was really the party. That is my name. If you don't know me, you call me Mofo. Mofo is my name. I'm a Bangwa boy. Oroko. That's my name. Take it. We are together. Tomorrow I'll be on board again. You can connect yourself.